Just got a package from my friend Janelle, and I maybe know what this is, but I also, there's a chance I don't know what it is, so we're gonna open it together. It was just my birthday, so... Oh, okay, I do know what it is. It's, look, it's an Easter card, but she said happy birthday, I love that. Oh my gosh, she is bad. She is bad. The way I planned my last Disney trip, I was going to miss the Flower and Garden Festival. Luckily, Janelle could go the first day. She got me one of the Orange Bird waffles. I love it, but guys, you need to see it the first time I see it. Look what she was able to pick up for me. Oh my god. Look at him. He's so cute. It's the Orange Bird Loungefly. He's adorable. Oh my gosh. We're gonna do a separate bag review video, but look where he is. Oh, thank you, Janelle.